Alright, so that's the third black car to go by. The first black car had absolutely no plates on it, and I've seen this a few times where there are no plates on the fronts or backs of the cars. And we've seen that plate many times, recorded it many times. That's another fucking stalker. So what's this guy doing? Look at that, no plate. This is the second vehicle I've seen with no plate. Ew. Looks like he's fixing his truck. I thought this was illegal to drive around with no plates. A finable offense. Again. Okay, so what I found is that there was some glue there and there, as you can see, but I think I've solved the problem. It was actually self-shut. You can believe that. I couldn't, and I'm the one that did it to myself this time. Alright. So we can see it is well glued on the inside, and I actually had to get rid of a spot there. You can see that was actually causing it to hang up, right like that. So it's that brutal. Alright, this motor's getting louder. It sounds like a helicopter. Or a tank. No, it's a helicopter. Second time I've heard a helicopter out here. I've been here over 2 weeks.